Back pain. It's a constant companion for millions worldwide, impacting daily activities and overall well-being. While conventional wisdom focuses on the back itself for treatment, there's a hidden player often overlooked: the feet. Our feet, seemingly far removed from the spine, play a crucial role in posture and alignment, impacting back health more than we realize. The human body is a marvel of interconnected systems. Our feet, with their complex network of bones, muscles, ligaments, and nerves, form the foundation upon which we stand. This foundation transmits forces all the way up the kinetic chain, influencing posture and alignment throughout the body. Here's the science behind the connection. Fascia. Fascia is a web of connective tissue that permeates our entire body, connecting everything from muscles to bones. This fascial network creates a continuous tension line, and tightness in the feet can pull on this line, affecting the alignment of the hips, pelvis, and ultimately the spine. Studies like one published in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies, 2013, suggest that fascial restrictions in the feet can contribute to postural dysfunction. Proprioception. Our feet contain proprioceptors, specialized nerve endings that send information about our body's position and movement to the brain. When these receptors are compromised due to tight or imbalanced feet, the brain receives faulty signals, leading to postural imbalances and potential back pain. Research published in the Gait and Posture Journal, 2018, highlights the role of proprioception in maintaining postural control. Biomechanics. The arches of our feet play a vital role in shock absorption and weight distribution. Flattened arches or imbalances can disrupt this function, causing excessive stress on the knees, hips, and ultimately, the lower back. A study in the Journal of the American Podiatric Medical Association, 2008, demonstrated a link between abnormal foot mechanics and low back pain. Several foot issues can contribute to back pain. Plantar fasciitis. This inflammation of the plantar fascia, a band of tissue running along the sole of the foot, can cause heel pain and tightness, impacting weight distribution and leading to back problems. Bunions and hammer toes. These bony deformities can alter the way weight is distributed on the feet, causing imbalances that travel up the kinetic chain and affect the back. Tight calf muscles. Tightness in the calf muscles, often linked to plantar fasciitis, can pull on the Achilles tendon and indirectly affect the lower back. Flat feet or high arches, both extremes of foot arch structure, can disrupt biomechanics and put undue stress on the back. The domino effect. When these foot problems go unaddressed, they can trigger a cascade of events. Tightness in the feet can lead to imbalances in the hips and pelvis, causing the spine to compensate and leading to back pain. The good news, by addressing foot health, you can significantly improve your back pain. Here's a multi-pronged approach. Self-massage. Regularly massaging your feet can release tension, improve circulation, and enhance proprioception. Techniques. Use a tennis ball or massage roller to apply pressure to the soles of your feet, focusing on tight areas. Gently stretch your toes and ankles. Benefits. Studies like one published in the International Journal of Rheumatology, 2011, suggest that self-foot massage can be effective in reducing pain. Stretching. Tightness in the calves, hamstrings, and plantar fascia can pull on the lower back. Regular stretching can help. Focus on calf stretches, hamstring stretches, and plantar fascia stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 2-3 times. Science behind it. Stretching improves flexibility and reduces muscle tension, potentially alleviating back pain, as shown in research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, 2018. Supportive footwear. Invest in shoes that provide good arch support, cushioning, and stability. Avoid shoes that are worn out or don't fit properly. The impact. Proper footwear can help distribute weight evenly across the foot, reducing stress on the back, as demonstrated in a study published in the Foot and Ankle International Journal, 2015. Physical therapy. A physical therapist can assess your foot mechanics, identify imbalances, and create a personalized treatment plan. This may include manual therapy techniques, specific exercises, and orthotics, shoe inserts,